What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the D Will ENT channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why I had ordered my hoverboard, and I'm going to compare it to my brand new 2001 and what I have to do to it, to the things I have to do to my hoverboard to just enjoy and ride it. Hope y'all enjoy. Okay, now, first thing first, you must put air in your tire. You don't want to be in the road with a flat tire. It wasn't just putting air in the tire also. It was also by the amount of air that you need in your tire. I mean, it's a responsibility, but hey, all that to have fun to ride around. And don't forget, making sure putting oil in your car. I had to check mostly every single month doing that. But it was good. It was good. The list goes on. I mean, I'm not a mechanic. I know it's more stuff that you got to do to keep your car well fit and properly on the road. But I knew it was one thing though that I couldn't keep my mind off of, and that made me just want to go to the vacuum cleaner. I mean, this don't apply to everybody, cause I mean I know a lot of people that don't keep their car clean inside, but I make sure mine is clean inside. But yeah, making sure that I just pulled through the wrong hole. But yeah, making sure the car is clean inside too. You gotta have a good car cleaning inside. I drive a 2001 Grand Am as of now, my first car, and I'm just vacuuming it because you know I like to keep my car clean. But bottom line is, this car don't bring as much attention, but I know what brung attention. That's right, my very own hoverboard. You can get one from Amazon for a good cheap price, because they run a lot if you're getting the name brand type. Yeah, I love my hoverboard. It bring a lot of attention. It doesn't take no air. It doesn't take no oil to check. It's just a free ride device. It's motion sensory, so you know I ain't gotta worry about no pedals or anything. And the miles they go is up to like 10 miles per hour. So I mean, it ain't that much as a, you know, fast device. But as I say, man, look at the reactions to it. Yeah, look at the reaction. I was at.
Doing pretty good. I was watching you come in.
I was at Speedway, and then I had failed because it was raining. It was wet. So
did you see on TV one morning when they? Well, you probably seen it on computer where those guys were dancing on them.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Good Morning America on them.
We ain't had no shit like that. We had to do a skateboard.
You're gonna go backwards, and then you stop by just standing. Yeah.
Turn just by just turning.
Turn it up.
Okay.
Boom.
Yeah, that's fresh.
So you thinking about buying one? I'm gonna keep a link in the description below or where I got it from on Amazon. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. I'm out. Deuces. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel.